This is how I clean my car every week. I use a microfiber duster to do dry dusting. I use 3M Car Shampoo, and I have two water sprayers which are handheld, one with 3M shampoo mixed and one with plain water. Then I have a microfiber gloves, and at last I have a glass wiper. So I start by dry dusting the dust of the glass areas first using the microfiber duster. In this video, in the beginning I'll show you at normal speed, and the rest of the video will be at 5x speed. Try to go in one direction as much as possible and never go for a circular pattern, as that will just recirculate the dust back into the paint and might lead to scratches. I'm also dusting the duster on the side so that I don't keep on wiping with the same dust again and again. So in this sprayer I have the water mixed with 3M Car Shampoo. I'm pressurizing it and I'll be spraying it all over the window areas first and then the rest of the body. You can adjust the nozzle to have misty aerosolized water like this, or you can open it up a little bit to have a much more faster flow of water like this. You can see that the 3M Car Shampoo does a good job even with low pressure sprayers like this. You get a nice cream, so try to spray it all over the glass area first before you go to the other panels like metal and wheels. The video is slightly sped up. You can slow it down if you want. Just spraying it with the 3M Car Shampoo and water itself will wash off most of the dust. So make sure to spray enough amount on the front and the back where the dust is going to wash down. After you spray the entire car with the 3M Car Shampoo, make sure to quickly clean out the glass areas using the rubber blades. Make sure to go in one direction, and ideally you need to spray it 2 or 3 times and clean it off a couple of times to get a clean glass area. After I sprayed the car with the car shampoo solution, then I resprayed the car using plain water, and then I'm giving it a wipe down using the microfiber gloves which I got from Amazon. So first I go for the glass areas, and after I get to the glass areas I go for the metal panel. The footage is a little sped up, so you can slow it down if you want to see it clearly. For the final step, I use a soft microfiber cloth to wipe down the glass areas so that there are no patterns or residues left on the glass areas. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please make sure to subscribe and also make sure to share your opinions and thoughts in the comments. Share it with your friends if you liked it.